Hi everybody, so this is my second video in the series on coordinate geometry with straight line graphs. In this example, we're told that wxyz is a kite with wx equaling wz and xy equaling yz. We're told that x has the coordinates 12 and 18 and z has the coordinates 5 and 8. We've been asked to work out the equation of a line w to y. So the best thing to do when we have questions like this is to sketch a diagram. So I'm going to sketch a kite wxyz. What we're trying to find in this question then is the equation of a line w to y. So I'll include that on my diagram. Now we know the property of a kite is that its diagonals intersect at 90 degrees. So if I draw another line through z to x, we know the two lines will be perpendicular. This means we can work out the gradient of this purple line, because it will be the negative reciprocal of a green line, and we can work out this line because we have two coordinates. So if I label the green line L1 and the purple line L2, then we can work out the gradient of L1 as the change in y divided by the change in x. And the change in y will be the difference between the 18 and the 8. This will be 10. The change in x will be the difference between the 12 and the 5, which is 7. But we also need to know a point where the line L2 passes through, and this will be the midpoint of the line segment Z to X. So we need to work out this midpoint. So if we say the midpoint of XZ, well, this will be the average X value, so the average of 5 and 12, so 5 plus 12 divided by 2, which gives us 8.5. It'll be the average of the Y values, so 18 plus 8 divided by 2, which gives us 13. So the midpoint will be 8.5 and 13. So now we have the gradient of L2 and a point which it passes through. We can again use the equation of a straight line graph. M lots of x minus x1 equals y minus y1. We'll substitute in the gradient, and remember this is perpendicular to this gradient. So this will be negative 7 over 10 multiplied by x minus x1, which we can use as 8.5. This will equal y minus y1, which is 13. So now we can expand out this negative 7 and move the division of 10 to the right-hand side. So we've got negative 7x plus 119 over 2 will equal 10y minus 130. We'll multiply everything by 2 to cancel this division. So we get negative 14x plus 119 will equal 20y minus the 260. And then we can move the negative 14x to the right hand side and the negative 260 to the left hand side. So we get 14x plus 20y will equal 379. So we can see that P will be 14, Q will be 20, and R 379. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe. And you can download the full lesson and worksheet from my website, mrmathematics.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks again and take care.